Good morning, Aditya. Some students scored 84, right? So by and large, most of the students have scored more than 80, right? So that is good sign. That means you must be going through whatever you are. Good morning, Chandrasekhar. Whatever you are learning, right? So it is always good. Right? So you have to always accumulate the static GK in this way, and we are running behind currently through the GK. Good morning, Abhijit. Fine. So that's what we can consider. Anyway, but try to score out of so that you have no scope for the mistake. And I think in this case, negative marking was not considered, right? So, but in your exam, negative marking will be there. So it should not happen. Right? You should not have any kind of chance to reduce your marks. Fine. Anyway, so let's recap what we have gone through in the last session. So United Arab Emirates, right? That was the first one which we have yesterday considered, whose capital is Abu Dhabi, and its currency is the UAE dirham. The next country was Uzbekistan, whose capital is Tashkent, and its currency is Uzbekistan Som. The next is Ukraine, its capital is Kyiv, currency is Ukrainian Hryvnia, right? Then United Kingdom, its capital is London, pound sterling as its currency. Then comes United States, whose capital is Washington, and its currency is US dollar, United States dollar. Uruguay, whose capital is Montevideo, its currency is Uruguayan peso. Next is Vietnam, its capital is Hanoi, and its currency is Dong. Then Vanuatu is the next country, whose capital is Port Vila, and its currency is Vatu. Next is Vatican City, right? Or you can consider it as Holy See. You can consider either Vatican City or Holy See, and its capital is Vatican City, and its currency is Euro. Next is Venezuela, whose capital is Caracas, and its currency is Venezuelan Bolivar. Next country, Yemen, Sanai, Yemen Real as its currency. Zambia, Lusaka, Zambian Kwacha as its currency. And then last, I think we have considered that was about the Zimbabwe, whose capital is Harare, and its currency is Zimbabwean dollar. Fine. So that one, this is what we have considered for the what we can have the countries, capital, and currencies. Later on, we have also gone through a part of the either president or the prime minister and its official language, which we can consider in. Right. So very first we have gone through the Afghanistan, right? So Afghanistan, Kabul, Afghani. So first three these things. Then president is Ashraf Ghani. Official language is Dari, Persian, or Pasho. Right? It's nothing but the Asian country Algeria, African country. Its prime minister is Noureddin Bejoy, and languages are Arabic, French, Tamazight. Angola, African country. President is João Lourenço, and language is Portuguese. Argentina, South American country. President is Mauricio Macri. Language is Spanish. Armenia, Asian country. PM is Armen Sarkisian, and the language is Armenian. Australian country. PM is Scott Morrison. Its language is English. Austria, European country. PM is Sebastian Kurz, and the language is German. Azerbaijan, Asian country, whose prime minister is Nowroz Mammadov, and the language is Azerbaijani. Bahrain, again Asian country, whose prime minister is Prince Khalifa bin Salman Al Khalifa. Language is Arabic. Bangladesh, Asian country, PM is Sheikh Hasina, and their language is Bangla. Belarus, European country, prime minister is Sergei Rumas, and the languages are Belarusian or Russian. Belgium, an European country, whose prime minister is Charles Michel, and the languages are Dutch, French, and German. Bhutan, again Asian country, prime minister is Lotte Schering, and the language is Dzongkha. Bolivia, South American country, whose prime minister is Evo Morales, and their languages are Aymara, Spanish, and Croatian. Botswana, African country, president is Mogwetsi Masisi, and the languages are English and Swana. Then Brazil, South American country, president is Jair Bolsonaro, and the language is Portuguese. Brunei, the next Asian country, whose prime minister is Hassanal Bolkiah, and the language is Malay. Bulgaria, European country, prime minister is Boyko Borisov, and the language is Bulgarian. Burundi, African country, whose president is Pierre Nkurunziza, and their languages are French and Kirundi. And then again Asian country, Cambodia, whose prime minister is Hun Sen, and their language is Khmer, right? So these were the things which we have considered, right, in the last session. Just a minute. I think. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go through the next what we can consider. Okay, next we can consider is Canada, right? So can consider the Canadian. Just a minute. Okay. So consider the Canada. Now Canada, Ottawa, its dollar, its currency is Canadian dollar. So Canada is having Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Justin, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, Justin Trudeau, Trudeau, right? Justin Trudeau, and the languages are, that was what I was checking because I felt that there is a little bit problem about clarity. So Justin Trudeau, uh, but I think anyway you are writing, so I will be telling you, right? So though it is blurred, but now we don't have any option. Right. Anyway, we have to write two names and language, so you will not be having a problem of language, right? And I will just spell out, right? So whatever may be the names we are writing, fine. So Justin Trudeau, Justin Trudeau, Justin Trudeau. Official languages of Canada are English and French. So English and French. You'll be only having a little bit problem about the names of whether president or prime minister, that I will spell out. And it's a North American country. Fine. So that's what we can consider. Okay, so that's what the the next one is Central African Republic, Bangui, and its currency is franc, right? So it's Prime Minister is, the Central African Republic's Prime Minister is Fermin Nangre Bada. Right. So Prime Minister is Fermin Nangre Bada. So Firmin, Fermin Nangre, Nagrebada, Nagre Bada. Its languages are the Sango and French. Languages are Sango, Sango and French. Languages are Sango and French. Fine. And it's a African country. So country in Africa. Fine. So Central African Republican is the Central African Republican, Bangui, CFA Frank, Fermin, Nagrebada, Sango, French, and Africa. Fine. The next one is Chile. Right. So, if you consider the Chile, yes, I'm aware that now screen is blurring because I could see I have a less tower, right? So I'm aware that the connectivity problem might be there. Anyway, it is fluctuating in between, but I can tell you, right? Already half of the part is already with you, so you have to just add one name, right? So adding name is not difficult since I'm spelling out it, right? So Chile, San Diego, Chilean peso, and its president, right? President of Chile is President of Chile is Veronica Michelle Bachelet Jeria. Veronica Michelle Bachelet Jeria. Right. Later on, it may be right. Fine. So Chile, you can consider here president, as I consider Veronica, right? Michele Bachelet, B-A-C-H. Okay, Veronica, Veronica Machele, Michelle, Machele, Bachelet, Bachelet, Bachelet Jeria, Jeria, right? So Veronica Machele Bachelet Jeria. The language is Spanish. Language is Spanish, and the continent, right, from which it is, so it is South America. It's South American country. So Chile, right? So if you consider the Chile, whose capital is San Diego, its currency Chilean peso, president is Veronica Michele Bachelet Jeria. Their official language is Spanish, and it's a South American country, right? The next country is of China. right? So we can consider the China, whose capital is Beijing, and they are having either yuan, which is called particularly Chini yuan, or renminbi, right? No doubt, its president is Xi Jinping, but here we will be writing on the prime minister. So Li Keqiang is its prime minister, right? So PM, right? Prime Minister of China is Li, Li Keqiang, Keqiang, Li Keqiang, and their language, official language is Mandarin, 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 and it, it is Asian country, right? So here you have the China, right, as Beijing Yuan. Its prime minister is Li Keqiang, and their language is Mandarin, and it's nothing but the Asian country. The next country we are going to consider is Colombia, right? So whose capital is Bogota, whose currency is Colombian peso, right? And their president, Colombia's president, is the president of Colombia is Ivan Duque Marquez. Ivan Duque Marquez. So Ivan, Ivan Duque, Duque, Ivan Duque Marquez, Marquez, Ivan Duque Marquez, right, is the president of Colombia. Their language is Spanish. Official language is Spanish, and it's nothing but South American country. So South America. Fine. So that is what we can have about Colombia, right? So what is Colombia? Colombia, Bogota, right? And Colombian peso, fine. President is Ivan Duque Marquez, and language is Spanish, and it is a South American country. Next one is Cuba, whose capital is Havana, right? Then Cuban peso, fine. Its prime minister, Cuba's president is Miguel Diaz-Canel. Miguel Diaz-Canel, right? So president is the president of Cuba. You can have Miguel, 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 right? Miguel, Miguel Diaz, Diaz, Canel, Canel, Miguel Diaz-Canel. Their language is Spanish. It is a South American country. Sorry, it is not South American. It is North American country. North America. Fine. So Cuba. Havana, Cuban peso. President is Miguel Diaz-Canel. Language is Spanish, and it's a North American country. Fine. The next one is Cyprus. Fine. So if you consider Cyprus, whose capital is Nicosia, its currency is the Cyprus pound. Fine. Its prime minister it is Nikos Anastasiades. Nikos Anastasiades. Fine. So the Cyprus president is Nikos, Nikos. Nikos Anastasiades. Anastasiades. Nikos Anastasiades is the president of Cyprus. Their languages are Turkish, right? So Turkish and Greek. Turkish and Greek are the languages, and it's nothing but a Asian country, right? So Cyprus is the Asian country which you can have its capital as Nicosia, its currency as Cyprus pound, its president is Nikos Anastasiades. Their languages are Turkish and Greek, right? So next country is Czech Republic. The capital is Prague, and its currency is koruna. Fine. So its president of Czech Republic is Milo Zeman. So president is Milo Zeman. M-I-L-O, right? Zeman. Milo Zeman. And their language is Czech, C-Z-E-C-H, right? And you know, it's a European country, right? So Czech Republic, Prague is its capital. The koruna is its currency, and its president is Milo Zeman. Their language is Czech, right? It's nothing but the European country. The next one we can consider is Denmark, right? So Copenhagen and the Spanish crown, right? Whose prime minister is Mette Frederiksen. Mette Frederiksen, right? So prime minister, PM of Denmark is Mette, M-E-T-T-E. Mette Frederiksen, F-R-E-D-E, Fred, R-I-K-S-E-N, Frederiksen, right? So Mette Frederiksen is the Prime Minister of Denmark. Their language is Danish, right? So language is Danish, and right. So Denmark, Copenhagen, and then Danish krone. PM is Mette Frederiksen, right? Danish is their language, and it is an European country. Fine. Is it visible? If it is visible, then you can have the screenshot. If not, then we will go to the next page. Just let me know. Is it visible? Okay. Shall I take its photo and share a screen? Okay, I will do that. I'm going to share. So now you can have.
Take a screenshot earlier. Within second session will be end.